Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a day in my life quarantine edition. Hashtag quarantine's almost done because stores are opening on Friday. So if you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Like I film a video every single week. Hey. I started this vlog, but I didn't have a intro, so that's because I kind of didn't know where I was going with the vlog. But yeah, we're gonna start off from the time I wake up until the time I shut this camera off at night. And if you haven't hit already that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. Hey guys, I just woke up. I look a mess. Like literally just rolled out of bed. Put my glasses on because the bitch is blind, and now we're gonna get started with the day. So first, I gotta make my bed. And that's how you start your morning. The right way. Clean up your bed, kids. So I saw on TikTok this bomb ass pasta, which was a spicy rigatoni. So girl, you know I love to cook. So I'm going to make that today. Right now, I'm going to just marinate the chicken. There's no chicken in the recipe, but I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add chicken into the recipe and let it sit and marinate. As it marinates, I'll be getting ready, doing some TikToks, and then afterwards, we will start working on the pasta. So I'm gonna go through everything with you guys, vlog style. I think it's gonna be really good. Just saying. Because I'm making it. So I got chicken right here. I'm not going to use all of it, I think. I don't know, I have to see. But I'm going to season it with garlic, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, and onion powder. Chicken number 1. Chicken number 2. Chicken number 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna chop them up and then I'm gonna season it just so it gets into like every little corner and crevice. You guys won't be able to see my head again, having a little proud family moment again, just because I'm just really tall for this damn frame. Get a bowl. They're in about squares like this. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna add my seasoning. So first, I give this right here. Garlic, salt, onion powder, crushed red pepper, black pepper, so I'm gonna let this sit and marinate for a couple hours. All right guys, it's time to cook. I put the water to boil while I chop everything up. I'm gonna break down what ingredients you need. So for spices, you're gonna need salt, crushed red pepper, oregano, and black pepper. Ingredients are garlic, rigatoni pasta, tomato paste, Parmesan cheese, chicken optional, onion, heavy cream, and Ketel One vodka. It could be any vodka, I'm choosing Ketel One. So let me break it down. For every 1 pound of rigatoni, you're gonna need 1 tube of tomato paste and 2 cups of heavy cream. So this is 16 ounces, which is 2 cups, so 1, 1, 1. But in reality, it's gonna be 1, 1, 2. Run up on my checks like that, checks on my shoes, so don't get kicked up. I need to learn that one. Let's chop it up, the onion, you gotta chop it up. Dude, I need to like look around, see if my neighbors can see me, or like the pool guy or the workers or whatever. I've had way too many embarrassing situations. So we're gonna chop up this onion. Again, you might not see my forehead because, you know. So what I didn't vlog today is that I went to Joann's, I went to Walmart, Michael's. I want to tie-dye. I want to do it. I want to jump on the bandwagon, even though I don't like jumping on bandwagons, but it looks cute. I want to do it. They didn't have my damn colors. I wanted pink, I wanted light blue, maybe like a gray. They didn't have shit. I might have to order everything. Run up on the checks like the checks on my shoes. Now that I don't have nails on, which, haha, won't be for too long. Wink wink. I can't do anything. It's usually the opposite. When people have nails, they can't function. I'm the opposite. When I don't have nails, I can't function. Like peeling this onion is taking a little too long because I don't have my nails. I swear, for I think it was 3 years, I have begun a new lifestyle. Now I'm starting right ass over. I think I'm gonna do half an onion just so we don't lose the flavor. So I'm gonna save this. So guess whose birthday is gonna be on Friday? Yay, yay, when the whole world goes back to normal, aka California. Mine. Apparently, everything's gonna open, be back to normal on June 12th, which is my birthday. I love my birthday, you guys. There's so many people who are like, meh, I don't like my birthday, I don't like the attention, don't sing happy birthday to me. I literally celebrate my birthday until July 12th. Like, if I go to a restaurant, they're bringing me a free dessert and singing me happy birthday until it's July 12th. That's just how I roll. I celebrate life until 1 month, and then we do it over again the next year. Wait, what is the other one? Like it like, see, I like it like that, like it like that. That would be awkward if there was someone behind me. Well, all right, onion looks good and chopped up. Na 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 Nickelodeon. No. Na 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 Nickelodeon. Bro, crackhead energy, I swear. It's a Gemini thing, like literal crackhead, but I'm okay with it. You're also gonna need olive oil, so I added olive oil and then added the chicken. So you gotta cook it until it's all white from every single corner and side. And I like to check inside too, because you can't mess with chicken. You gotta make sure it is cooked. So this is how it should look like. So I'm going to empty the chicken, put it in this bowl. I'm gonna wipe it down, reuse this for the sauce. And then I'm going to boil the water, put the pasta in. And then when I'm done boiling and putting the pasta in, I'm gonna dump the water and put everything in here and mix it all up. So we're technically just using 2 hand things, so yeah. By the way, when you season your chicken, you should be able to see the seasoning, because if you can't see your seasoning, it ain't enough. I mean, not when it comes to salt, but like your pepper, your chili, it has to look nice and colorful. I put this in here. And this is the same bowl I used whenever I was marinating the chicken. I wiped it down, cleaned it down, reused it. So we don't use like a million different things for one meal. The water boiled, so now you're gonna add salt. You could do it when it's not boiled, but I just forgot, so. Well, Mom, are you shit talking?
You just forgot.
I forgot. I keep it real. Why, you've never forgot salt in your pasta? Well then. And then you're gonna taste it, see if it's salty enough. Good. Add the pasta. 11 to 13 minutes. Now you're gonna add olive oil. Add your onion. And while the onion is cooking, you're gonna add your salt, your pepper, your oregano, and your chili flakes. Now you have to cook these seasonings with the onion. Now, this is the first time I'm making it, so I'm just going off a TikTok video. Now I got my vodka ready. I put half a cup because you're supposed to put 1/3 for 1 pound. So 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. Wait.
Yeah, it's 2/3. 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3.
Oh, then I have to put more. Why did I want to add the 3 and the 3 to be a 6, and then 2 over 6 is 1 over 3?
Same, very marvelous. Oh my god.
Well then, at least I could do calculus. Woo, one moment. So you guys want to get drunk. You know what? It's been a long time since I've been in school.
That has nothing to do with it for a long time or short time.
So we're gonna get 2/3 of vodka, 1/3 for 1 pound, so remember. But when you have 2/3, that means you guys have 2 pounds. Thank you.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, I made it. Fire. By the way, you guys, I got everything from Trader Joe's. So this is the Italian tomato paste. I'm gonna put 2, squeeze it in here, and then I'm gonna get like 3 cloves of garlic whole and put it in there. Get like 3, drop it in there, and squeeze. Squeeze. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Hold on. So you gotta cook off the tomato paste. So right now it's not cooked off because it's still kind of clumpy-ish. Just let it cook for like another 3 to 5 minutes. Check up on the pasta. Alright, so right now it's much softer whenever I go like this. So I'm gonna add the vodka. Add the vodka. Woo! Oh my god, the smell is making me gag. Bad memories. Oh my god, that is potent. Stir. It's gonna get much more liquidy. So you have to cook it until the vodka is evaporated. So right now, if you look here, you see no more vodka left. So now it's time to add the heavy cream. It's really smelling good. Pour in the first one. Now pour in the second one.
What is that supposed to be?
The sauce. So mix it up until it's like orangey, until you can't feel the tomato paste anymore. Wow, you had one job. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's gonna look like this. So the sauce is bubbling up. So I'm gonna add my chicken in the sauce. Now I'm gonna add Parmesan. Now that I added the pasta, I legit forgot to add pasta water back in the sauce after I dumped it. My bad. We're gonna pretend like I did add the water, so do that. And then when you're done, you're gonna add the pasta sauce in the pasta. Oh wow. Dang. Wow. Thank me later. I sinken. This is the bomb.
Interesting. It's a 60-year-old nation.
Okay, what do you like?
I like oranges.
I mean, holy shit. Oh, not too bad. I didn't dirty your stove thing too much.
It was just water.
So it looks like this. I'm gonna add more chili flakes on mine just because I'm a spicy eater, but damn, look at that. You can see the cheese. I'm gonna add more cheese on top, add parsley. It's gonna be awesome. I mean, ooh, this is a good angle.
Thanks, Mom.
Welcome. I mean, fire. By the way, don't forget to remove the garlics that you put in. So count how many you put in. I put 3. And I have one on my plate. So don't mistake the chicken for the garlic. All right, time to taste test. Fire. This is really good. TikTok, great job. I love when I cook food and then I wash the dishes and everything's clean and in its place, and it's just, I like that part. We're all fed, we're full and clean. So now, Ruzi got me a shirt for my birthday and it's super cute, and I'm just gonna make it super cuter. Oh my god, is that a double chin? You guys, I can't breathe right now, hold on. So this is the shirt. Birthday 2020, the one where I'm quarantined. So I'm gonna like crop it and maybe like cut it up a little bit. So I'm gonna do it with you guys. Okay, so I cropped my top. But I did it the wrong way. I mean, it's not the wrong way, but it's less accurate. You're supposed to start by cutting the first top layer and then continue on the back. I always did it that way. I don't know why. I'm kind of like, did the vodka get to me in that pasta dish or what? But I did it like double. And it's not straight, so I'm gonna try to straighten it out now. So what I'm doing is I'm getting the scissors and just literally going like this and making holes. That's how you do it. So I'm gonna do one like right here and like spread the t-shirt like this with your hands. Damn, look at me, a whole ass chef and a whole ass shirt ripper. Like, look it. I'm gonna rip it up a little bit more, but this is looking really cute. All right, officially done. It looks super cute. It looks super cute. And I did some on the back part. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up this little vlog. I'm getting kind of oily. Wow, this has never happened. It's a first. I mean, summer's coming along. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.